Hello, dear educators. Welcome to Mentoring the Mentors, an institute that accelerates your learning curve. In fourth part of active learning, we will be talking about exit tickets. What are exit tickets? When to use them? Like we need to ask the students something on the exit from the classroom when our period or lesson gets over. Let them get thinking. So, my dear educators, I'll be sharing some of the strategies like what two things stood out to you the most of the class. Children will be sharing their learning. क्या चीज़ें उनको बहुत अच्छी लगी, किसकी तरफ उनका ज़्यादा ध्यान गया, क्या वो रिकॉल कर पा रहे हैं. एंड another exit ticket that I'm going to discuss with you is like what's something that made you think and what did you think. You can give this kind of exit ticket to your students. क्या चीज़ है जिसने आपको सोचने पर प्रोवोक किया और आपने क्या सोचा. And apart from it, the another exit ticket that here in front of you is, do you agree or disagree with the topic today? और आप अपने पीयर को किस तरीके से आसान लैंग्वेज में, इजी लैंग्वेज में आज का जो लेसन है वो समझाएंगे. राइट, तो इट्स अ पीयर लर्निंग. एंड डंप योर ब्रेन. जो आपने आज सीखा है पूरे चैप्टर में, जस्ट डंप इट. कोई भी फ्रेजेस हैं, वर्ड्स हैं, सेंटेंसेस हैं, आप लिखिए यहाँ पर जितना भी आप रिकॉल कर पा रहे हैं इन अ मिनट. एंड आप अपनी लर्निंग को लर्निंग स्केल के अकॉर्डिंगली मैप करेंगे. कहाँ पर है? रेट योर लर्निंग एज पर द डिफरेंट स्माइलीज, इमोटिकॉन्स देयर ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड गिव रीजन फॉर दैट. You can also share scale as well, like rate your learning as per the scale given with the reason. If you find you are on 6 point, give the reason for the same. Another one is FIST to 4 learning scale strategy. FIST का मतलब कुछ नहीं समझ में आया, and accordingly you will increase the level of your understanding. You will share where you are. We have got another strategy, FIST to 5. As per that, you will be able to add more number of stages into it, right? आप किस लेवल पर हैं, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, इतना समझ में आया कि आप दूसरे को भी समझा सकते हैं. Or you can rate your learning based on different proficiency scales, starting from emerging through developing, proficient to extending, and give reason for the same. Why do you feel like you are proficient in today's topic? You can also give your children to design a mind map for a day's learning through the keywords, as many as they can recall. Apart from it, create a comic strip. They can also create a comic strip using imaginary characters. You can give them templates in the form of speech bubbles, or they can choose the characters from the picture, from the story, from the lesson that you have discussed in the class. So I mean, this is how you can foster their creativity, and you can get to know about their level of understanding as well. You can ask the children to summarize their learning in different steps. Maybe you can give them 4 steps, 5 steps, or you can increase the number accordingly, like how you can recall today's chapter, the flow of the lesson, the flow of the topic, the different activities that they are being conducted in the class, what you can recall stepwise, right? You can provide such kind of templates to your children as you can see on the screen. Other exit tickets that you can see on the screen, I mean, as many as you can. You see, you can bring the kind of innovation, like I would like to learn more about after this chapter. I have understood this, but I want to know more about a particular topic. The most important thing I learned today, ask them to share with you in a jam activity. Just a minute activity, just a minute paper, and draw a quick diagram that shows your learning, right? Top 5 things about the lesson that you have learned today that you can recall. 2 grow and glow areas. If you want to discuss, you can discuss sunny and muddy areas as well after today's chapter. Or you may ask, how did I do today? Whether I was motivated, I was enthusiastic, right? And then you can ask the children to summarize their learning in 3 steps, as we ask the children to summarize the story also. Like they can talk about 3 steps: the beginning, the middle of the story, and the end of the story, and you can ask them to tweak the story as well, tweak the end as well. I mean, anyways, you can ask them about their learning. You can also talk about the muddiest point, the topic, the areas that the children they are confused about. Now, how successful they are they feeling after today's lesson successful, confident, confused, or worried? You can ask them to rate their learning. How are they feeling? Write as many terms as you can recall from today's topic. Like, let them be free to recall as many terms, as many words they can recall from the day's topic. Or you may ask them like how today's learning helped them to unlock their learning. Like, in the light of what you have learned today, how has your perspective changed? So in the future, how will you deal with such kind of situation? So this is actually moving from fixed mindset to growth mindset. You can also give this kind of exit ticket, talk about your glow and grow areas. So my lovely educators, if you want to know more about such strategies, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, download the resources from my website, consultforacademics.in. Stay tuned. Thank you all of you from Meenakshi Narula at Mentoring the Mentors.